Networking. Networking is a big deal. When we're talking about networking, is powerful. It allows you to bring audience to your brand like nothing else, because it's also built long-lasting connection. Long-lasting connection will allow you not just to be yourself, but also attract right people to your brand, also get referrals, also get word of the mouth, also present your new projects to people who already trust in you. However, networking is a long-term goal. It's a play where you connect with people on a consistent basis, connecting with them, talking to them, and it's never a number goal. It's always about following up, building long-term connection with people so that they know you, they recognize you, and then they start trusting you. So always network. And if you like to know more about networking, read our content about that.